Everyone, I'm here to show you how to spatchcock a chicken. I've got something else cooking here on the left, so just ignore that. It's got nothing to do with this particular video. So I've got a chicken that's come from the supermarket. It's fresh. It's medium size. I've literally just taken out the package, so I'm just going to show you what to do. So I'm going to be using a boning knife to do this. You don't have to use a boning knife, you can use a regular knife, but bearing in mind we're going to be cutting close to some bone, hence why I'm using a boning knife. You can use scissors, so something like these, some kitchen scissors, you could go and do it, but I prefer to use the knife personally. So first thing, take chicken out of there. There's obviously some blood and juices there, so with chicken be very careful. Any surfaces, you want to keep them clean. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to undo the legs. Now you might want to keep that if you want to put the legs back together later on. I normally don't, but some people do. So I'm going to turn it upside down. So we have effectively the wings, the legs, and we have the backbone of the body. So we are going to turn it around and start from the top and cut on either side of effectively the spine. So my knife is pretty sharp, so it should go through straight through. There we go. There's one side done, and the second side. And as I said, if you're not comfortable with using a knife, you can use scissors. There we go. And there's the middle out, quite easy. So just cut the skin. There you go. So that you can obviously see the internal organs as well. So that will be discarded. So that didn't take long, did it? So what I've got here is I've got a little bit of rib cage left here, so I might just cut that bit out. There we go. It's probably the heart there as well, so we'll get rid of that. And again here, so I'm just going to remove that. You don't have to do this part, I do. Just remove that, remove that, remove that. Just organs again, guys. I'm just going to use a spoon, take that out. So then, next, what I normally do is turn it around again, and then I press on it. So using your body weight, push down. And there you go. You've got a nice spatchcocked chicken. So what you can do is, to keep it a little bit more together, you can just take that back again and put that back over the legs if you want to. So we can do that, twist it, cross the leg over, put it over again, twist it, oop, and twist it again. There you go. Nice spatchcock chicken. So that was nice and easy. What you can also do as well, turning it back over, there's quite a lot of spare fat here which you don't need, so let's just get rid of that. That's gone as well. And what I'm going to do is, with this particular chicken, I'm going to cover it in a nice rub. So when you are cooking a chicken that's spatchcock like this, I'm just going to remove that excess skin as well, don't need that. You can use a rub. You can obviously buy supermarket rub, you can get your own rub. I recommend before you put any rub on it, you put some inserts into the skin. So I'm going to do that next. So what I've got is the knife. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on the leg, there's a tendon here. Always cut that to the bone, and again over here The reason I cut that is that can become tough. And then I do a little slash in the leg there, a little slash in the leg, yeah, one over here. And I do the same on the other side. And then I'll just put the other slits into the chicken. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're quite deep, those, because I'm going to put some rub in there. And if you are going to put some flavour into your chicken, then that's what you want to do. So again, these legs, I'll probably leave them like that, I think, when I cook it. Yeah, a bit like that. And this is going to be cooked in the barbecue, but you can cook it in the oven or whatever else. Usually you want to cook chicken at about 190 degrees, and it can take about an hour and a half-ish. You want to go for an internal temperature of about 74 degrees Celsius. So that's how you spatchcock and prepare a chicken. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Please, as with all my other videos, if you like what you see, please subscribe. Please share the videos with others. I would greatly appreciate it.